Today is National Farm Animal Day. And where would we be without farm animals?
Everybody would be drinking that hippie milk called almond milk. Now, where is the tit on an almond?
We wouldn't have drunken eggs at Waffle House at 3 a.m.
Old MacDonald would have to have a weed farm. So people, farmers, everyone, remember to treat farm animals kindly and humanely.
Okay.
After all, without farm animals, life
Would really suck. You were a little behind there.
would really suck.
Do it again.
Okay. After all, without farm animals,
Life would really suck.
really suck.
Really suck. Thank you, Rebel, for thinking the sun comes up at 3 a.m.
Thank you, Tuppence, for being useless.
Thank you, ass, for eating grass and running away from me like you used to in college.
Thank you, Barn Cat, for your endless pest control.
Thank you, Chuckles, for lamb chops, wool socks.